we're gonna burn it down.
Ben voilà, on l'a récupéré, le bolide.
Hein?
T'es allé où?
Je vais faire le pipi de la peur.
T'es allé au petit coin.
You know what time it is. Marvin Devine, Hoover, Axel, and you know how we do. Yeah, I got the juice, yeah, I got the juice. Whip game cool, make them look like cool. Always play cool, that's the biggest rule. Fuck it, what they doing, keep on doing.
Get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I do it all before I die. I wanna get it on tonight. I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I wanna get you one more time. One more time. One more time. One more time. I want it one more time. I really need to make it right. Energy I overdose, 'cause I'm ready to reload. I need it one more time, but baby then again twice. But I don't know if I'm ready to let go. I'm gonna have you one more time. I'm gonna hit it one more night with you. With you, I am committed 'cause I know it's you I want. Hope I never see you go home. Oh, come along.
I'm gonna have you one more time. I'm gonna have you one more night.
I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I do it all before I die. I wanna get it on tonight. I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I wanna get you one more time. One more time.
to these bad bitches, accolades, got will, son, no castaway. I'm twice as good, get half the praise. Throw a sniper up and I blast away. You ain't getting through me. Nah, how I've been here 10 hours. My chick's sour, rising and falling together, though like we the Twin Towers. Nothing's taken, I'm frustrated. If I could only get just to blaze it, ain't no doubt that I'd muster greatness. No chip off of that old block. All eyes on me, but I'm no Pac. Fully loaded off those shots, that bass will knock you like cold cocks. I'm number one. Big Mac in my flow, the ice on my wrist lacking. I've been having, they been slacking, they been doubting. I've been bout it, my mojo back raps gold member. Gotta be one core winner. Got the game on my ring finger. I'm VA and that's over. All I've been killing shit, cause that's protocol. I don't do this for y'all, no, I just do this for me. I flip the game on this chair, 180 degrees. Baby please, baby please, I know you're dying to stay. I ain't gonna stop you from walking, always remember the name. I'm the man, I'm the man, I'm the man. I'ma get it cause I can, cause I can, cause I can. Am I fitted in my vans, in my vans, in my vans? I think baby girl a fan, she a fan, she a fan, she a fan.
Oh, il m'a mis avant.
Une pause s'impose. Kiki, Kiki. Putain, le mec. Non mais le mec. Obligé de gâcher la vidéo. En plus c'est Queen.
Les amis, comme vous le savez, je suis à Manicourt là sur le circuit et devinez qui c'est qui est présent, qui c'est qui est en train de tester le nouvel enrobé. Monsieur Kenny Forêt. Oui, oui, oui. Monsieur Kenny Forêt. Donc pensez vite à le suivre ici sur Instagram.